Check out this Dodge 2018 Journey Say. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include engine, 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT, STD, black top package included, black headlamp bezels wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 aluminum with black top package gloss black grille, granite pearl coat, quick order package 22B included, engine 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP rear view auto dim mirror with display park view rear backup camera, transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, STD, connectivity group included, radio 4.3 Connect voice command with Bluetooth leather-wrapped shift knob leather-wrapped steering wheel, radio, 4.3 included, Sirius satellite radio 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info call 888